In this video, I'll show you how you can go in and add someone to your family on Steam. Okay, first things first, make sure you're actually logged in. Then click on your profile name. Then go ahead and click on account details. Now, some of the things to note. So if I come and click on view purchase history, you must have spent at least $5 or Steam to unlock this feature. Okay. Then what you need to do is come here, the left panel, click on family management. And then all you want to do here is click on create a family. Enter your family name. For example, I'll do Straw Hat 123. Click on create. Now, right here, this is my family name. You can go ahead and edit it any time that you want. You can have up to 6 people in total. Now, all you need to do is come here, click on invite a member. Now, come here and click on search friend list, and you will see your friends. So I'll go ahead and invite myself as a friend, and then now you can get them as your family member, either as an adult or as a child. Okay, choose either one. So I'll go ahead and choose adult, and there we go. Click on invite, and this person will have gotten the invite link, right? So if I come to my Steam from the other account, you'll see I got a notification just now for family invite. And then if I also come to my family management section, I am able to join the family from this end. So as you can see, it worked and it's really that easy and simple.